All right, how to get thicker hair. We all want thicker hair. We want that perfect hair. Some of you I know are probably going, my hair's too thick. How do I make my hair thinner? But forget that. If you want to make your hair thicker, there's a few things that you need to understand. I know I don't even know how many videos I've done on this topic already, but because we're getting so many new viewers and people coming to the channel, I figured I always have to keep, coming up with new content for you. So now, if you have hair that is on the finer side like this is very flyaway, very fine. There's a lot of it, right? You can see the scalp right there, but each individual strand is very, very thin, somewhat fragile. You can see it's breaking a little bit because I've bleached this thing so many times. It's in a very fragile state. So how do you get more volume in the hair? Well, honestly, and you can go two routes. You could try taking biotin. You can try whatever pill you want to try. I mean, the only thing I've seen work as far as pill form is biotin. But there's different dosages. There's different, talk to a doctor maybe. But that's the only thing I've seen work that thickens people's hair and kind of makes it grow back. I won't say fully, but I have seen a difference. What are you taking? Biotin. And these are people I've worked on over the years as clients in the past. And I would notice it myself. I'm like, what? Your hair is like twice as thick. Biotin. All right, so there's that. Again, I take no responsibility for suggesting. It's just something I've seen work. Talk to a physician. Now, the other more traditional way, I hate to say this, excuse me if you don't mind, you have to use hair products. And I'm telling you, as somebody who's worked on thousands and thousands of clients over 30-something years, I know. That's why I have my own product line. That's why my products are designed specifically for certain outcomes with your hair, okay? Now, let's start with the shampoo. Yes, a volumizing shampoo will help. I've got my volume set, my volume shampoo and conditioner. Even my pure set is great for adding volume to the hair. So you need to start with a good foundation. If you're somebody who is wearing makeup, for example, you have to put foundation on, or you're painting a house, you have to put a primer. You need a primer when it comes to hair products. The beginning of it is the cleansing process, and that's the shampoo and conditioner. It's like if you're using a body wash, right, and you want your skin to feel more moisturized, use a moisturizing bottle. It's the same thing with shampoos. So you have that set. Then you have to start building in the styling products that are going to help. I would say two that are essential. 25 spray, which has 25 benefits to it. Make sure when you use this that you press down on the sprayer firmly. If you spray it real loose, it's going to shoot out like a damn laser stream because it's a thicker lotion type liquid. It's not just water. It's a lotion type consistency, so you have to press down for it to disperse properly, okay? Spray this on your hair while it's damp after you shower, no matter what. Great for combing out knots, great for just a good foundational spray. And then here it is, the big one, the hero product, Tidal Wave. Tidal Wave gives massive, massive volume to the hair, especially when used properly. Doesn't mean you need 18, 19 sprays. I can get tons of volume with one spray in one section. It's amazing. Spray it on damp hair after you spray this, 25 spray, couple of spritzes, work it through the hair, and then start building your volume from the styling process. And that could be from using one of my round brushes, a vent brush, whatever tool you need. Again, I do sell these. If you have shorter hair, then this is going to be your best friend. If you've got longer hair, then this one. Even this works great for short hair. Again, these are all on my website. Now, the next thing that you need is a blow dryer, right? You have to blow dry your hair. You need the heat to activate the styling products and your technique. So you want volume? Take that brush like that, lock it in on the root area like this, and then hit it with the blow dryer. Look at this. I can get volume easily. I mean, I did that in 3 seconds. All right, look, you want volume, There you go. Look at all that volume right there. Seconds, you can do it. It's just a matter of of knowing how to use the tools, okay? And it just really comes down to, lastly, the right haircut. If you don't have the right haircut, your hair will not, I don't want to say thicker, it just won't look properly. You're going to have a hard time getting volume. The hair itself, for creating, thickness, you have to use products, like I mentioned, to have the hair kind of bind together, especially like for finer hair. Sea salt will be your best friend, or Tidal Wave right here, my sea salt spray, it'll be your best friend, right? Spray it on, it's going to bind to the hair together and expand on the hair. However, just realize that, if you've got very fine hair, you have to do these things. If you've got super thick hair, then you're fine. You can still use products, but there's no magical thing that all of a sudden you're going to have thicker hair. You have to put the work in. You have to invest in the right products, the right haircut, and all of it. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Don't forget, use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.